Ah! Oh! Holy crap! Oh my god! I literally just jumped. YouTube Ducks back here again. I'm by myself today doing Skyblock because Sonoflare was not able to make it. So yeah, see people back there. So yeah, like I said, we got. Well, I didn't say. I don't think I said anything about this because that's when I did offline. We got cows and roosters and pigs. I don't know if I showed this. Well, I did extend that. I showed that, I'm pretty sure. Added another floor with carrots. Oh man, it would fall. Yeah. That's not gonna bring it. This. That's stupid. I fell. I think that's all that's new. Besides the chicken farm, I showed that. I showed that, my other video of the prison server I was on. So that's something new. Yeah, so /C. I'm gonna try to do the fisherman challenge. /C fisherman. Okay, I need 10 fish, so we're gonna go make a whatchamacallit. I forget what this is called. A pond, yeah, a pond. And I'm gonna make 10 cooked fish. Yeah, okay, I spelled the word wrong. But I'm gonna make a pond, and have 10 cooked fish. So I will be right back when I got the base started. So yeah. The king of the world. Yeah. What is up, guys? I am back. I got done with the base and I did the water, most of it. I did this trick where you fill the top layer with water and what is this? Oh, something got me. I did this one. Well, I filled this layer there. I filled that, and I put water on top of it, and then I'm breaking it now, so it goes under it, and that's a simple, easy way just to get a little pool like this. It's only 3 deep, I think, or 4 deep. Yeah, 4 deep. All my cobble should be in here, down here. So I made that little area. This. Okay, so I made that little area. Because where the fishing's gonna go on. This. And that. There you go. I don't know if I should have a fishing chair. Shouldn't. Just go like this. Yes, into the fishing chair. So like that. Which is pretty good. Get on that. Put everything away. I got an apple and tons of stuff because I cut down the trees over there. Yeah, they were like huge. A while. Okay, put away. No, I did not that thing. Okay. This apple food. Oh my gosh, what's up with this? Okay, hold on. Let me try something. think you need 2, right? And you need 1, 2, 3. If that's right, hopefully. But then you just go like this, and no. Oh, it's like this, and then go down like that. There you go. See, I knew something like that. Well, let's go fishing. Yeah, let me try over here, because sometimes when you fish, it just yeah. Nope, you know what? I'm going to put here, something like that. Wow, I know what to stop doing it. And go down. Okay. Now we wait. Play the waiting game. I don't know if fish come fast or not. That fish come fast or not. That's what I meant to say. Hopefully they do. Come on, fishies. Fishy, fishy, fishy. How do you know if you catch a fish though? Like, I got texture pack on, so what if it doesn't show it here? Let me change it to normal real quick. Resource pack, go back, done. Okay, now let me check. Oh, I don't like the regular, it looks kind of weird. But I mean, it's alright, it's alright. Why is it always stuck? No, right there. It should go in front, okay. Now play the waiting game. So what's that water stuff right there? Oh, that's cool. I never knew that. I caught salmon. Salmon count kind of fish. Salmon. What's on that? Salmon. That stuff's cool. It just like no one's coming and it shows the water splashing around. Yeah, like this watch. Yeah, like that. See? Oh, I caught string. Yay, I am happy I caught a string. Oh, that's a good way. Okay. I don't think anything's gonna happen. I don't know if this makes a difference. Probably does, because, you know. Whoa, there's Enderman. Oh crap, I'm in for a treat. Ah, Enderman could come in water, couldn't I? Scared. Where'd you come? Where'd you go? Noises. Where'd I go? I'm scared. I don't want to go anywhere. Ah! Oh! Holy crap! Oh my god! I literally just jumped. Holy cow! That scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking. That was scary. That's too scary. Oh my gosh. Whew, okay. Back to fishing like how it was supposed to be. Whew. Come on, magical sparkle thing. Show up. Come on, why isn't it showing up? Come on. Please. Is that like part of the update where, like, see, that stuff happens? Is that part of the update or what? Because I've never seen that before. Let's go here. And down. Down. That. Okay, all this. Okay, like this. Is it like ricochet now? Oh, it does ricochet. too far. There you go. Nope, okay. Nope, okay, so go. Try to do trick shots. No, okay, anyways, let me just do it right there. This. And go down into the pool. Okay, gotta wait. Probably boring. Probably boring until stuff happens like how I just looked at the Enderman. Spider scared the crap out of me. I did not want to get out. Oh, what? It went away? What? What to what? Is that too far? That was too far. Okay. That should be good. Nope, too short. Ugh. Too far, watch. Too far. Oh, just right. Okay, good. I heard chicken laying an egg. Probably them right there. How many people are on? There's about, oh, online players is 15. Can't be 15. Is it really 15? No, it can't be 15. This is more than 15. Okay. It's gonna be pretty hard. Oh wait, here. Whoa! Pufferfish. These are all the weird fishes I never got. I never went fishing. Yeah, I'm gonna keep fishing and I'll just be right back, okay? Okay, what is up, YouTube? I only did a countdown to test my lagging skills. Tyler, I don't know your name, I'm sorry. Tile Narwhals, right? How many Subway have you got? 20. 15, I don't know. Pizza kind. Okay, anyways, I caught 10 fish. I'm gonna go cook them up. Hello, I was looking at you. Cool. Very cool. Okay, some of this. Oh, son of a gun, I forgot. I'm gonna do some charcoal, because that's what I got the wood for, so. Let me just, I'll just cut that. Okay. Too much time to waste. Oh no, I probably only got like 10 minutes left. Wait, I need to cook. Can you not cook? No, you serious? Oh, you cannot cook. Wait. 3, 5. You could cook salmon. Looks like I don't need pufferfish. Pufferfish. So while those are cooking, I'm just gonna catch 2 more. Really fast. Marching in, oh how I see you, narwhals looking, I see you looking. You're scared away to fish. Why are you scared away to fish? That's dandy. Just waiting, playing the waiting game, like always. I'm waiting for my fish to cook, and I'm waiting for it. I'm going to catch fish. No, I had that one. You had proof too. You have proof. Okay, that. Splash. Okay. My little seat right here. Gotta wait. I look good fishing. Look at that. I look fancy. Okay, now I just gotta wait. Okay. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a lot longer. I gotta edit the video so many times. I got so much to do with this video. So I gotta upload a video that I have not uploaded yet. It's about a prison server that I did. I got a prison server, and I did not upload that one yet. 13 actually, yeah, 13. That's a nice guess. Yeah, I have 12 subs. well, your audio sucks. Yeah, I know. I'm a starter. Don't judge. It's only because my laptop. Can't see your escape. Up and down. Sure. Okay, let's go over here. Things like that. Put some of it on fire. So, get some of this. So, got one of those. 8 times. Okay. Change back. Resource. This one done. And we are good. Yep. Okay. I guess this is everything. So this is the final thing to see if I can actually do the CC fisherman. Oh, it actually worked. Wait, what? How did I complete? Oh, oh, I had to be this fish, but then it only took those fish. Oh, okay. Well, that's good. Well, anyways, I am gonna go. Thanks for watching. Okay, please comment what you want to see if you want to. Also subscribe and please like this video. And Black Ninja, I remember you last time you gave me those diamonds. It was like episode 4. No, not episode 4. It was episode 3 or something. You gave me those diamonds right there. Yeah, I remember you. Okay, anyways, I'm Gabe Dogs and I am out.